Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into the exact Google account that holds your backups. This is crucial. Once signed in, open the Google Photos app on mobile or navigate to Photos. Google, Com on desktop. Make sure you have Wi-Fi or enough mobile data and a charged device so sync can run without interruption. If you're on mobile, tap the account avatar to confirm the active account. After that confirmation, proceed to the Library or Photos view to begin locating backed up items. Once done, navigate to Library or Albums to find categories like Backups or Device folders. These show what's been uploaded. You search with dates, people, or places to narrow results quickly. Filters speed up retrieval when you have thousands of items. Make sure to open Settings, then Backup and Sync to verify that backup is on and view the latest status and device names. If you're on desktop, sort by recent or use the search bar to jump straight to the photos you need. To finish, select the photos or albums you want and choose Download on desktop or Save to device on mobile to create local copies. This completes your restore. If a photo was deleted, visit Trash and restore within 60 days, otherwise it's permanent. If something's missing, make sure you're in the right account, confirm backup and sync is enabled, and check connectivity. Then force a sync by toggling backup off and on. If problems persist, sign out and back in to refresh permissions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.